Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let's learn about objects and materials. Objects are made from materials. Objects are things that we use. Objects are made from one or more materials. T-shirt made from fabric. Basketball made from rubber. Spoon made from steel. Notebook made from paper. Pencil made from wood. Hi guys, today we're going to learn search a material in one object. So let's start. What is this material made of? You're right, it is rubber. And what is this material made of? You're right, it is metal. And what is this made of? You're right, it is fabric. And what is this made of? It's rubber. And what is... Bye guys. Enjoy some more. Bye. Subscribe to our channel and press the like button and ring the notification bell.